Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Gramps from Moto TV Dinner. I don't know if you guys noticed, but whenever your oil change is about due, I just got this on my bike right here. Maintenance of maturity. Okay, to clear that, that's telling you need to get your bike serviced, whatever, for your oil change. So all thing you do is turn your bike, okay? So you want to hit your enter button here. All right. You want to go enter into service. Hit enter. Okay, remaining distance. So that is how many miles you have left for your oil change. So what you want to do is to reset that, go to your enter here and your up. Hold it both up at the same time for at least 10 seconds. So you hold it now. Same time. It's going to be coming up. Okay. Are you sure you want to reset your maintenance? So you want to do, scroll down. See how it moves it. Okay. Hit yes. Enter. Boom. That's how many miles you have left until you got to do your oil change again. They require you to 2,400 miles. But here it says 3105, which I'd go by this one here. I just did my oil change. I'll do a video on it, an easy way to do it. But that's all you need to know. Peace out.